I'm Scott Bailey, the director here at Camp Qwanoes, and we're here at Juniors 3. It just started the other day. We had our first full day yesterday, and it was such a great day. This camp is going so well. We wanted to send a message back home because we know some are wondering, how is it going? So you're going to hear from our campers here in a minute, but first, I thought it would be fun for you to get to know some of our staff. So here it comes.
My name is Randy. I'm from Manitoba. I am the music and media coordinator here at Camp Qwanoes. We've been learning some fun songs and doing some actions in Q-Town and at Fireside this week, like this one. You guys know this song? It's go time. You gotta know you were made for this. Come on, let's go.
Hello all, my name is Tate, also known as Top Hat Tate from Crofton, here local, and I'm the events leader here at Qwanoes with my amazing assistants. We run games, activities, all sorts of great things. Last night was Qwanoes MC Craft Quest, and I heard that there's a night game, Whispers of the Pharaoh's Wrath, just around the corner.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Hey, my name is Kayn, and I work down at the beach along with Sydney and with Emily, and we have been having fantastic weather this week.
Yeah, camp is the perfect place to try new things. We've had wakeboarding, water skiing, kneeboard, and so many kids have learned to try some things out of their comfort zone.
We've been having so much fun down on the Aqua Park and on the Rocket Dock. We're so excited to keep making new memories and tons of new friends.
Hey guys, I'm Sophia. I'm the land activities leader, and I get to do land activities with these cool people.
I'm Jim O'Connor. I'm from Port Coquitlam. I'm the Pedal Carson Speedway leader this summer.
Hey, my name's Jordan. I'm the skate park leader. There's been so many kids trying out skateboarding. It's been so much fun.
I'm Alicia. I'm the art rageous leader, and I've had the privilege of seeing all these kids get so creative in the art tent this week.
Thanks guys. Woo.
Hi guys, I'm Kai, I'm the challenge course leader, and this is Reese and Priscilla, the two challenge course assistants. It's been so fun watching all the kids have such a fun time in the challenge course this week. It's been so awesome.
Yeah, I love just seeing kids' excitement to try new things.
It's such a cool thing to be able to, these kids to challenge themselves and the heights. It's just so cool.
Awesome, thank you.
Hey, I'm Nathan. I'm one of the male counselors here at Camp Qwanoes. We've been having such a great week so far here at Juniors 3, doing activities with these kids, playing all-star games with these kids, teaching them and even learning from them. And we're so happy to have this group here at Qwanoes.
Hi, I'm Kat. I'm one of the female counselors at camp this summer. I'm having so much fun hanging out with each and every one of your kids, having so much fun at the all-star games, activities, even down at the Aqua Park. I'm just having a great time.
Hi, I'm Linda. I'm one of two camp grandparents here this week. We're just hanging out, answering questions, helping the kids feel comfortable and at home at camp, and enjoying your children.
Hey guys, my name is Lara, and we are the Chem Stars team, and we're so glad that the kids are here.
I'm Reese, I'm your Club Cocoa host, and I have made a lot of milkshakes this week for all your kids.
I'm Autumn, I'm an ICI, and we've sold a lot of cookie dough this week.
Hello everybody, I'm Gabby. My name is Mika, and we are part of the kitchen team here at Camp Qwanoes. We have so much fun cooking food for you. Today we had tacos, and for dinner we're having chicken and roasted potatoes.
And for dessert we got chocolate cake!
Yeah!
Chocolate cake?
Hi, my name's Sam.
And mine is Alex.
I've been on maintenance, doing super satisfying jobs, just like pressure washing.
And my best part is maintaining the ground so that the kids can be maintained at heart. One of those is clearing garbage. Right, champions?
Okay, that's just some of the staff. There's so many staff here. We are loving this week. The weather is beautiful. You've heard from some of our staff. It's time to hear from your kids, our campers. They're the best campers. Hey, you guys, how's your week going so far?